Hi, I'm Mary. How can we help you?
Hi, so first of all, thank you. I'm a restaurant manager and we're closing at the end of this week. So I'm going to be out of luck. I'm going to lose my insurance.
Wow, I'm sorry about that. So there's generally two options that are available to people, one or the other, MaineCare or Marketplace coverage. And people can learn about both of them at Enroll 207 or coverme.gov. However, let's see if we can get an idea of what might work for you. So, what is your household size?
It's just me.
Okay. And so the way it works, since Maine expanded MaineCare about 15 months ago, we have a new category, and many people who were not eligible for MaineCare before are eligible for that now. There's a dividing line, so you're either eligible, if you're on one side of the dividing line, you're eligible for MaineCare, and if you're on the other side, then you're eligible to get a Marketplace plan that would have government help to help you pay. So do you know how much you've made so far this year?
Ooh, I was afraid you were going to ask me that. I'd have to take a guess. I would say maybe $9,000, $10,000, something like that.
Okay, so that, because we're not really sure what your income's going to be going forward for the rest of this year, it's hard to tell.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I mean, I could be called back, I guess,
Right.
and, I guess I could get unemployment. I really,
Mm-hmm.
this whole nightmare is just beginning.
Right. So, do you have access to the internet?
I used to use the public library one, but
Oh,
they're
yeah.
closed now,
That's a
so
problem. Okay.
maybe.
Okay. So it's okay. So for people who do have access to the computer, they can apply for MaineCare online by going to healthcare.gov, which is the health insurance marketplace, and then they send your info to Maine DHHS, which is MaineCare. Or you can also apply, if you had a computer, for MaineCare at My Maine Connection, which is part of the Maine State site. But since that's not a good option for you, then maybe a paper application is best.
Okay.
People can print applications off the internet, or you could have one mailed to you. We can give you one.
I'd like it if you would give me one.
Yeah, okay. So if you can, once you get it filled out, if you can, make a photocopy of it before you mail it, because they're going to be kind of inundated, I think, right now, and sometimes things can get lost. So it's easier if you have a photocopy of it.
Okay.
And if you can, mail it by certified mail and keep the receipt, if
Okay.
possible. That's not required. And then also, if you would write down the date that you mail it,
Okay.
that's helpful. Then on your calendar, count 45 days from the day that you mail it, because you should either have MaineCare by then or temporary MaineCare by the 45 days.
What's temporary MaineCare?
That is MaineCare that you get when they take longer than by law they're allowed to give you an answer, and you would never owe anything back from that. So
I see.
yeah,
But it's not a decision.
it's not a decision.
Okay.
It's in until they get the decision to you. Like if they have so many people applying at one time and they get way behind.
Okay.
And so I did
That's
say,
a lot of information.
so we have a chart at the end of this video that you can refer to that will have all of this information. And as I was saying, you could mail it, the application, to the MaineCare Farmington office, which we will give you the address for at the end. And you can also drop it off at any local DHHS office, and we can tell you how to find out where those are. And if you do drop it off at a local office, you can ask for a receipt when you drop it off. And of course, you can always call our Consumers for Affordable Healthcare helpline with any questions that you have about filling out the application or any questions that you have in general.
Okay.
Okay?
The helpline, what's that number?
That's 1-800-965-7476.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Good luck.